It came in. It came in. And if y'all want to know what came in, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
All right, Prince Squad, I am so excited today to do this unboxing. I'm telling you, I'm super excited. I have been waiting for this thing for probably less than a week. But it's something that I have really been wanting to get. But you guys know, I'm not big balling or nothing. And I actually got an email, y'all, from this person, the person that sent me this package. And they was like, I watched your videos and I saw a specific video. And what you was doing looked like hard work. So I was trying to help you out. I'm kind of paraphrasing, but that's basically what was said. So I'm gonna let you guys see what's inside the box, and then I'm gonna tell you guys where it came from. And I am so excited, I'm telling you, I'm excited. So let me get my blade over here, and then we're gonna do this unboxing right quick. All right. Look, I was so excited. I usually hook up my Rode wireless mic, but I didn't even have time for that today. So I'm using the big Rode Go mic. So, okay, right here, first, I have a couple of things, and I don't know what's in any of the packages. Let me see. I'm gonna glance down a little bit just to let you guys see. Like, I got those two. This is something else right there. Let me toss that over there. But these are the packages right here. I don't want y'all to get no clues of what's in there right now, but I am so excited about this. But I'm gonna open this top one first, and then I'm gonna see if it's something that I need to share with y'all, and then I'm gonna open this other one. So I'm gonna open it a little bit off camera, so y'all, it's gonna be a little suspenseful, but I'm telling you, I am so appreciative and excited. And I mean, this is just awesome. And I'm telling y'all, God is really doing a mighty work, y'all. I'm seeing a lot of things. I'm seeing a lot of things from God. Okay, all right. This is part of it, but I'm gonna show you the first thing first. Actually, I can show y'all what this is. This is some CDs right here. As you see, right here, some CDs. All right. But I'm not going to show y'all exactly what it is just yet. And look, when I film, I always have to turn the air off. So y'all, I might sweat a little bit. Because it is hot. Alright, so now is the main event. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. And then I'm going to let you guys know. Let me move this book out the way. Then I'm going to let you guys know where everything came from. But I am very appreciative, and I thank God. And I thank the person that sent this. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it, let you guys check it out, and I'm gonna tell y'all where it came from. Alright, so go ahead and I'm gonna cut around if I can. Make sure I'm not cutting anything. Alright. So I'm telling you, I'm excited about this. What is this? Let me see what is in this box. All right. Oh, it's another box right here. Let me move that out the way a little bit. It's another box. Okay, let me take out this smaller box first. Okay, we got this box right here. There's one box that's inside of there. And then, oh, this box is kind of heavy, y'all. This box right here. So, all right, I'm gonna put this box right here, and then I move this out the way, because yeah, y'all will definitely know what it is. Y'all would definitely know what it is. Yeah, because y'all would definitely know what it is if I show you what's in that box. But all right. Whoo, let me catch my breath, y'all. But I think I'm gonna open the smaller box first, and then the bigger box, which is heavy, pretty heavy. So I'm gonna open this smaller box and kind of let you see what's inside. All right. All right, so right here we have this thing right here. I don't know if anybody even know what this is. Can y'all even guess what this is right here, y'all? Y'all see this? I'm gonna leave it wrapped a little bit right there. And those of y'all who know what it is, put it down below. Oh, it's some other stuff in here too. Let's see. I got this in there, and also this. Is this part of the box? Okay. This thing right here too. Okay. It seemed like every time I start filming, a train gotta come through. Y'all hear that? All right, train, go ahead. All right, so I'm gonna move this to the side. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do, okay, this, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to flip it up or not, so I'm gonna just leave it like that, and I'm gonna open it like this. So, whoa, y'all. Y'all see what's in here? Can y'all see what it is? Look at that, y'all. See what it is? Look at that. You see that? Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Y'all see that? So now y'all know what it is, right? So now y'all know what it is, right? All right, so y'all know a little bit, but not exactly. So let me go ahead and complete the whole thing. All right. Look at this, y'all. Look what's in here. Y'all see that? Let me see if I can get it out. Oh, this thing is a little heavy. All right. So right here, as y'all see what it is right there. Look at there. I don't even know. Okay, it turns like that. Y'all see that? Y'all check that. Y'all see that? Ain't God good, y'all? Now this button maker and supplies and this circle cutter, I'm gonna wash this all off my hands right quick, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna tell you guys everything. I'm gonna just grab a red towel. Just a sec. Just a sec. All right, I got this red towel like I'm a mechanic or something. But yes, y'all, Dr. Dunn's buttons. That is who sent me this. Dr. Dunn. His name is Don Ratliff, and he actually he's been in the button making business for years, and he makes the button machines, or he sells the button machines, and he's now getting into t-shirts. So he saw my video that I did where I was having the issues with the badge a minute button maker. Y'all know what I'm talking about, the issues I was having. But he sent me this 3-inch button maker and the supplies, y'all. I am so appreciative. Thank you, Mr. Dunn. I really appreciate it. I am gonna be making some buttons soon. I actually have some buttons that I wanted to make that I was waiting specifically for this so that I could do those buttons. So I will be having a video coming out real soon, and I'm gonna leave a link down below for Mr. Dunn's website for you guys. And he actually really does. Actually, before he even sent me this, and before I even really knew him, I had actually looked on his website, and I had actually saved his website like as one of the tabs at the top of my browser, because he has the best prices for button supplies that I've seen. And the button makers, a lot of them are priced similarly, but because he has the best price on supplies, I would just order anything from him. And I don't know, we'll see how everything goes. If you do make an order and you let them know that I'm the person that influenced you a little bit to make the order from him, maybe I can get y'all a coupon code. I'm not sure. I might talk to him about that and see. But I'm gonna get this other let me see, this other package, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside here. Let me make sure the oil is off my hands, because I for sure don't want oil getting on this next item. All right, so right here he sent some design gradients right here. This is like button making tools right here. 2 CDs of Dr. Dunn's design gradients right here, as you guys see. And then I have the political button templates right here. Let me try to make sure y'all can check that out. Let me see. Okay, right there, as y'all can see, hopefully. And then we got this right here, and we have this right here. So this is what was sent. Okay, this is a coupon good for one button design. So I'm gonna have to, you know, your girl can't share everything with y'all, so I'm gonna have to keep that for myself. Okay, so right here he just has the note that says and I'm gonna show y'all his logo right quick. This is the logo right here, and the 1-800 number also. Yeah, right here, that's the 1-800 number right there. I'm gonna leave links for all this below for you guys, and that's his logo right there, just in case you guys have seen it. It probably is familiar to you guys now, because I'm sure some of y'all probably have been looking around, and that was one of the ones that popped up when I was looking. But his website is buttonsonline.com. Buttonsonline.com. Yeah, so all of this that I'm looking at, just the CD and the you know, instructions, layout guides and stuff like that. So right here he says, sent you directly from our factory, UPS, the press. Okay, yeah, so basically he's let me know what's in the package and everything. And y'all check this out. I'm telling you, he sent it to me to help out, and I really appreciate that right there. It says no charge. So I was actually blessed with this button maker, and I'm gonna put it to good use. And I really appreciate it, Mr. Dunn. I really do. And I will be making some buttons and doing a video, and I will leave a link for you guys down below, so that you guys can order your buttons. And it's really no need in looking around. This is the website with the best prices that I have seen. You know, you want to order something from United States. And by the way, y'all, before I go, I didn't show y'all this. I want to show y'all all the buttons that he sent. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. It's like 2 money bags full of buttons. Look at that. I got these buttons right here, and backings, the pin backs and the front shells. Then I also have these right here, and let me see, and I also have the Mylar sheets right here. But yes, Dr. Dunn really hooked your girl up, and I really appreciate it. Dr. Dunn's buttons, buttonsonline.com. Links will be below this video for you guys, and I appreciate you watching. And if you liked the video or found it helpful, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. And also Dr. Dunn has a YouTube. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to his YouTube, and I'll leave a link for that at the end of this video. And also if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that today. T-Shirt Chick TV, and join that Print Squad group on Facebook for additional help. And don't forget to subscribe to my second channel and hit the bell notification buttons on both channels to make sure that you don't miss out, because I'm trying to pump out videos as quickly as I can. And I also do live streams on my other channel daily, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Central Time. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in another video. Print Squad out.